Jasmine, push the button. Make Thomas go. What? Jordan, get up. Jordan, get up. Jordan, get up. Up. Okay. Jasmine, you can, Jordan. Wait, watch out. Whoop. You have to keep your hand on the button so it can go. Use both hands if you need to. Keep both hands on the button, Jasmine. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Jordan. Jordan, say bye-bye. Jordan, say bye-bye. It's okay, Jordan's busy.